you a site that I've been using. Now, what this site here does, Bico.Media, basically you can upload pictures, documents to the blockchain. If you're not familiar with blockchain, what I suggest you do, go over Blockchain 101, and it teaches you everything about blockchain. I'm not going to explain it in this video because it's quite deep. But basically what the blockchain does is that once you've put a transaction into the blockchain, it's immutable. Basically, you can't remove it, you can't delete it, you can't change it. So it's in there for the life of the blockchain. And the blockchain is now around about 200 gigabytes, I think it is. So huge blockchain, and I think it's just going to grow even bigger with BSV. So why am I showing this? Because the other day I made a website, a really basic one. I did some code. This is the code here that I did for the website. And basically the code is selling a t-shirt, right? And what I did is I uploaded that code to this page. And this page is now, you can't really, I'll show you the website I built. I called it Kwaba T. The name is actually not, you can't actually go to the domain name and it won't go anywhere. So basically this is just a test run. So I just wanted to do this to prove the concept, right? They just got the heading there, a t-shirt there, the description of what the t-shirt is, limited stock, available in USA, this is the sizes, and you can only buy it with Money Button. Money Button is BitcoinSv's like predominant wallet, if you want to call it that. So if you want to go and buy something, use Money Button and basically contact support and get Money Button if you haven't got it. All right, so this web page is actually sitting on the blockchain. Now, how is this significant? Basically, it cost me 2 cents, one purchase, 2 cents to upload that website to the blockchain. And that's all it will ever cost me. The problem is that my t-shirt, I cannot change the price of that t-shirt. So now that t-shirt's 1 cent. You go and buy it, you're just donating my money anyway if you do go there. But this is just the test run. So that t-shirt, you cannot change the price. It's immutable, so you can't change it. So let's say you wanted to put your, I don't know, a music file up on the blockchain, and you just wanted to charge 99 cents for it. Well, you can do that, and you know that it's not going to change. Basically, anyone that goes to that site at any time in the timeline from now to whenever, they can purchase that product, item, movie, audio for 99 cents for the rest of its history, and it will never go away. This thing cost me 2 cents to make. So basically, I drafted up some code, I put it onto the blockchain, paid my 2 cents, and this is the end result. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how fast it is to purchase something through BSV. So let me just close this window down. So basically, hopefully you can still see my screen. Basically, you can see here is that website that I just showed you, right? And then I've got my Money Button. This is my test Money Button page where all my transactions go through. And then you've got my, you can see here my email. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some details into this thing. So basically, I'm just gonna put contact email. Let's just put what that email, 24 from below bars. Yeah, who cares? Andre Jensen, Melbourne, Australia. And let's say I just want an Excel top. So basically, remember this thing is sitting on the blockchain. I only paid 2 cents for it. If you went to web developer today, you'd be paying anywhere from $150 to $500 a month to host your web page on their servers. This has cost me 2 cents, and it will only cost me 2 cents, and there's no other purchase that that I had to do. So that's me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how quick this happens. So you'll probably see this deduct one. It'll go from $1.39 to $1.38 because I'm only buying it at 1 cent, right? So here we go. Let's see how we go. So I'm paying it. There you go. It's processing. Says that it's mine. You'll probably see. There you go. It's actually deducted there from the balance of Money Button. Also, you can see in my email. So if you go into my Money Button, look now, all the notifications are starting to come up to say that it's been paid. That's how fast BitcoinSv is. It's really, really quick, right? So now on that website that was just up, it's going to ask me to confirm I'm not a robot because I don't want spam. And basically, if we go back to my, okay, I've got to choose all the mountains. Where's some more? See, there. Mountains or hills? I think that's a hill. Let's verify. Yep. So now it's going to send me to my email address that form that I filled out. So if I just go to this form here, you'll see that all my details. Okay, work-loaders. That's my old address. You know, all my details there. It's even got the transaction, my transaction. So I want to Excel top. You can see all these details now populating, and that was only seconds, right? So Money Button, you can see that your broadcast has been transferred 1 cent out, and then if we go again, we look at the bottom one, and I received 1 cent. So if we go back to Money Button, like you can see that it was $1.38. It looks like a fee's come out for that, so that's fine. It doesn't matter. Let me just refresh that page. So you can see there that it's broadcasted to the network. If we go there, we can see that the fee came out, the 1 cent, right? And this is what I just sent my little daughter to test her. She opened up her wallet. So you can see there, that's how fast Money Button is. It's pretty quick. That's how fast BSV is, actually. That's what I'm really, really passionate about at the moment. And I'm starting to build some really cool applications, trying to test myself. So I just displayed there how fast it takes to put some information to a web page. And don't forget, if I was actually selling this t-shirt, I'll get that information, send it off to the buyer, and they'll be happy. As easy as that. I've got all the information there, and done. That's how fast it was. Took seconds. All right, so that's all I've really got time for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you've found any type of value out of this video, please like and share it. If you've got any questions, send me a PM, whatever. If you think you got some products that you can help out. I'm still testing this thing, so I'm still in testing waters, but hey, soon enough, I'll have this all done. So that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.